In this video, I'll show you how to open YouTube on LG TV. Step 1. Open the home screen. Turn on your LG TV. Press the home button on your remote to access the main menu. Step 2. Find the YouTube app. Use the navigation keys to scroll through the app bar at the bottom of the screen. Look for the YouTube app icon. Step 3. Install the YouTube app if it's not visible. If YouTube isn't listed, select LG Content Store from the app's bar. Use the search icon to type YouTube. Select the YouTube app and then click on Install. Wait until installation completes, then return to the home screen. Step 4. Launch and use YouTube. Select the YouTube icon from your app list. Sign in with your Google account for personalized recommendations. Start watching your favorite video. And that's how you open YouTube on your LG TV. If you found this video helpful, then please subscribe. And if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments down below, and I'll be happy to help you out. Bye.